Back Forecast EURUSD, tips for beginner traders for October 8th US. Session trade analysis and recommendations under the premium article will be available in 000008.10.2025 p.m. A premium article will be available in 000008.10.2025 p.m. Trade analysis and recommendations on the European currency. The price test of 1.1629 occurred at a moment when the MACD indicator had already moved significantly above the zero mark, which limited the pair's upward potential. For this reason, I did not buy the euro. A significant decline in German industrial production in August, amounting to 4.3, triggered a drop in the euro exchange rate at the start of the trading day. Investors worried about this data pointing to a potential recession in fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get